Hi guys, today we talk about Nokia N73 Pro versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Nokia N73 Pro launched on March 2024 with the price tag of $1,099 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $999. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of these devices, the Nokia N73 Pro come with 227 gram and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 223 gram. The build, the Nokia N73 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and both devices come with dual SIM support. Let's talk about the display of these devices. The Nokia N73 Pro versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the screen size is same 6.81 inches and 6.82 inches, and the screen resolution, the both devices come with 2K screen resolution 1440 by 3200 and 1440 by 3168 pixels, and the PPI dynasty Nokia N73 Pro come with 518 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 510, and the refresh rate is same 120Hz, and the screen to body ratio is same, not much difference, and the both devices come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and the screen brightness of these devices, the Nokia N73 Pro come with 4000 nits peak of brightness and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup of these devices. The Nokia N73 Pro come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad core camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video with Hasselblad color calibration. The selfie camera of these devices, the both devices come with 32 megapixel of selfie camera and it's record 4K 30fps video with selfie camera. And the platform of these devices, the Nokia N73 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU, and the both devices come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the GPU is same Adreno 750, and the operating system, the both devices come with Android 14. Let's go to the memory setup. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the same Nokia N73 come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the same internal storage 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and no SD card support in both mobiles. And the battery of these devices, the Nokia N73 Pro come with 5400 mAh battery, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. Nokia N73 Pro come with 90 watt fast charging, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 100 watt fast charging, and the both devices come with 50 watt wireless charging and also come with 5G network support. Commons and features is same in both devices, and the result of these devices, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 25 points and the Nokia N73 Pro got 25 points, same and draw.